big update for those of you that took my enhanced Bollinger Band course. You had plays in the S&P and the NASDAQ. Unfortunately, the NASDAQ didn't get hit. But look at the S&P and then jump up and down for yourself, because it's a heck of a way to take your weekend-long break. If you take a look at what's going on here in the energies, strong update. I mean, you're back to $73 almost in the Brent. Our crude is 70. You think that's not going to attract more production? I understand the big boys won't this year. They might next year, but they won't this year. But the mom and pop operators, come on. In grain markets, still more of a decline in them as we're approaching harvest. We're in September. Corn harvest will begin in many areas. And as you take a look at the grains and the weather, everything's still a good mix there. A lot of pressure on the market. And the question is Chinese demand. That'll be in play. Dollar a bit lower as most of the currencies get a bid today. I'll show you the economic data here in 1 minute. Gold again failing into the key 200-day average in 18. We'll review that at the end of the day. Maybe by then it'll be able to breach it, but so far getting thrown back. And silver getting thrown back pretty good today. Copper market finally finding some footing after the bad Chinese PMI data this week. Challenger came out with their planned job cuts at 15,723. That's nicely down from the last time of 18,942. Jobless claims slipping. That's what you want to keep getting. You don't want these numbers over 400,000. You want them to keep falling down and give you a trend. So they're falling back. And even to me, more important is the continuing claims are slipping down. So they just keep falling in. And that's the sign that people are probably going back to work. That's what I'm expecting. Remember, we are just days away from the end of the government COVID relief plan, so those $300 checks, they go bye-bye. And what about you're getting Amazon that wants to hire thousands of people. I'm talking 45 to 50,000 people. Walmart, everybody's now saying they're having their job fairs for the winter, so that's going to be welcome news. Non-farm productivity, well, that was a little less than the market was looking for. They were expecting it to be an increase of 2.4%. They got 2.1%. And when you look at the labor costs, you'd expect that to go up. I mean, who isn't raising rates? I think it was Starbucks yesterday that said they're going to the minimum now of $15 an hour. The July trade balance down a little bit from the expectation of a negative 71 billion. And the Eurozone data, look at that. That's picking up a little bit too. So you're getting the interesting part of the news. Today I wrote in my full research report. Remember, I get up early and start writing. I'm showing the difference of the vaccine rates, how many people in the Eurozone as a whole are vaccinated versus the U.S., and the death rates, current through August, what the two look like. You'd be surprised because the U.S. is behind, not ahead. Yet if you read our newspapers, you don't get that impression. Again, a strong day in the stock market. Let's see if the metals will pick up on any of this inflation news. Later today, I intend on sending you, if you're on my mailing list, a special offer on my research and how to get some of my courses for free. Look for that in your mailbox. I'm Ira Epstein. Have a good day.